Maybe you haven't gotten that far yet, but you're definitely crushing it at your local coffee shop, that hustle and energy keeping the place running smoothly. You see the teamwork, the behind-the-scenes dance that keeps customers happy and plates flying. But there's gotta be a secret weapon, right? Some tech magic powering the whole operation? Well, you're right. There are amazing restaurant management systems out there, and today we're diving into one of the big players, TouchBistro. They've got a whole suite of tools designed to streamline everything from taking orders to managing staff. But with a company this big, where do they cook up all this innovation? Toronto calling. TouchBistro's headquarters are actually nestled right in the heart of Toronto, Canada. That's right, the 6'9". This global company, with teams spread across 4 continents, calls Toronto home. Makes you wonder what it's like working there, brainstorming ideas and building the future of restaurants, all with a view of the CN Tower. Beyond the headquarters. Sure, the HQ is cool, but TouchBistro isn't a one-city show. They've got a presence in major hubs around the world, allowing them to stay close to the pulse of the restaurant industry and cater to the specific needs of different regions. This global reach is a big part of what makes them a powerhouse in the restaurant management space. But why Toronto? There are a few reasons why Toronto might be the perfect breeding ground for a restaurant tech giant. First, Canada has a thriving restaurant scene, with a huge variety of cuisines and a constant stream of new concepts popping up. This gives TouchBistro a chance to test their products in a real-world environment and get valuable feedback from restaurateurs of all stripes. Second, Toronto itself is a hotbed for tech talent. The city boasts a number of universities churning out bright-eyed graduates eager to make their mark on the world. TouchBistro can tap into this pool of talent, building a team of developers, designers, and marketing whizzes who understand both the restaurant business and the latest tech trends. More than just a location. Of course, TouchBistro isn't just about the physical location of their offices. It's about the company culture they've built. From what we can gather, they foster a creative and collaborative environment, where employees are encouraged to share ideas and push boundaries. They also seem to place a big emphasis on work-life balance, understanding that happy employees are productive employees. So, if you're ever in Toronto and see a group of people huddled around a laptop, talking excitedly about split checks and kitchen display systems, there's a good chance you've just stumbled upon the TouchBistro brain trust. That's all we have for today on the whereabouts of the TouchBistro Mastermind crew. We hope this little tour has been interesting. If you're curious about restaurant management systems or just want to see some cool pictures of Toronto, leave a comment below and let us know. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.